Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs here on YouTube. I will link our Etsy and Instagram SNC Budget Creations down below. Also, SilynthiaC is having a collaboration freebie with a couple of other ladies. They're still working on the month of July, so if you're interested in getting that freebie, jump on over there and grab it. They do have another freebie coming out in August. That's the one I'm going to try to participate in. She's going to make some adjustments for those of us with a very, very small income. So hopefully we will all be doing it together, low and high denominations for that savings challenge. But what I'm going to go ahead and do today is I'm going to work on the savings challenges that I do already have set up. And let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing. For my savings challenges this week, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I have $39. And I think I better do something while I have the chance to do it, because I don't want to regret not taking care of business. Be right back. All right, so I've gone ahead and made sure my back to school envelope was on hand. I went ahead and threw it in my binder for my letter bucks, so that way I have access to it. It was in the back of my Christmas binder, kind of, because you know my Christmas binder is really geared towards my boys. I guess not really, but we'll talk about that another time. Anyway, back to school. I'm going to go ahead and put 10 bucks in there. It's not a lot, but I was thinking if I put this towards savings, I could, you know, reallocate it to back to school at some point. But I want to make sure that I'm putting something away. And back to school now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70 bucks, which is incredible. My kids have really big feet and they are in very large clothing. So yes, that makes me feel a little bit better. Now I need to recount this because I don't remember what it was. Sorry, we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so now I have $29. And that is going to be very important for me because I want to make sure that I am taking care of some responsibilities as well as trying to save something, because the saving is to motivate me to then in turn stuff my Christmas binder, and then, you know, at a slower pace. It gives me a little bit of time. I guess technically I could just stuff my Christmas binder, but this is just a little bit more fun. So we're going to go with it. All right, so let's pull out our 3 savings challenges that we are working on, and I will actually go over these savings challenges, who they're from, in a moment. So set that over there, and I hope you can see what I've got going on here. All right, so I am only doing 3 savings challenges, and I know a lot of people are doing 6 of them, but my budget says not now, right? So I need to be very smart about how I am saving, and that way I'm at least putting something towards savings. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with number 4. Here's 4. Okay, 1, 1, 6, 2, that's a 2, 1, 5, 3, 5, 2, 6, 5, and this is a letter buck. I'm going to set that off to the side here so we can stuff that. That's important to stuff. All right, so let me do this. Do we have any with 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll keep going. Oh gosh. Okay, this is so much fun. 5, 2, 3, 1, 3, Do we have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, and we have $5 left. A torn 5, but $5. Which one is going to get this $5? 3. Yay! Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set these off to the side here. We're going to start with what we had as number 1 today, which is getting $5. And it has $6, so a total of 11. So how I decided I was going to do these savings challenges is whatever the amount I save is what I'll write in there, because I don't have anything like where you color it in. Oh, well, no, I take that back. I have 1, and I decided the amounts would be $1. Let's use a different color than we used last time. What color did we use? Like a purple? Okay. So this particular one is each week the amount that I'm actually adding in. So we stuffed $5 today, giving us a total of $11 already, just by not spending my spending money. Because I give myself a certain amount each week. I went ahead and allocated some of those funds, and then whatever I had left over from last week, I went ahead and just put towards this week. And then I think it was a couple bucks from my paycheck, actually. Maybe I need to look into exactly where this money's coming from, but I'm just glad I have it. So this Shaken with Love is actually, it was a freebie from Jamie RN Budgets. She hit 600 subscribers at this time, and so she had this freebie, and I grabbed it. So yeah, these are freebies, and maybe this will be Freebie Friday for me. Maybe. We'll see. What else did I do in this video? I'm batch recording, so I have no idea what I have going on. All right, so that was the first one. This next one, we are adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. Yes, I'd love to see that. $10. So let's go ahead and color in 10 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is almost completed. Look at that. So this savings challenge is from SilynthiaC Budgets, and it was a freebie. It actually was, I believe it was 3 together, and this is the one I'm using right now. And I just decided each crown was going to be worth $1. So a few more to go, and then this one will be completed. In total, we now have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. $13. Oh man, this is exciting. So once I complete these savings challenges, these 3, well, oh gosh, I have a plan that once I complete the savings challenges that I'm going to go ahead and reallocate the funds into my Christmas binder and also back to school. But I don't know exactly how that's going to work, because 2 of these are going to take me a little bit longer. Unless I come across a few more dollars, in which case I will go ahead and do another savings, add in more savings challenges. Okay, so this week for this last one, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. Okay, $13. I'm almost freaking out, because I kept saying to myself, you don't have the money to save right now. You need to be able to, you know, provide for your household and yada yada. We were spending things, you know, when there was money left over, we were going to grab a pizza and things like that, which obviously, you know, with little kids, you're going to try to do whatever you can to keep their life as normal as possible. When we're going to move on. This is from Ellie on Earth. It was a freebie, and she has incredible freebies. Lots of them, actually. So if you're looking for a freebie, head over to her channel. And I will link all of these ladies down below. So in total, this savings challenge has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. $15. You know what? You can do the math. How much is that in total? This is only my second time stuffing these envelopes, and I'm hoping this week, the week of the 21st, to actually get a couple more bucks on hand. If I do, I'm going to more than likely put it into my mini savings challenges. So maybe we'll get 2 savings challenge videos. We'll see what's happening with that. Lastly, I have 1K buck. 1K buck that needs to be stuffed in. I was hoping to get a few more. So I haven't counted these up. Maybe that's something I can do, is go ahead and count up what I have in my letter bucks, because I've already distributed some to my children, and then I have my K and E bucks still going. But let's go ahead and put these back in here, and we will keep rocking and rolling with our savings as long as we possibly can. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave a giraffe emoji down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.